ready to unleash your designs on the web with perfect transparency. First, make sure your artwork has transparent elements. If there are solid backgrounds, remove them now. Open your artwork in Adobe Illustrator, then locate the File menu at the very top. Click on it. Next, in the drop-down on the File menu, hover on Export, and then select Export, as this will open the Export as dialog box. In the Export as dialog box, first, let's decide where to save your PNG file using the Save In option. Find your desired folder and select it. Now, give your file an easy-to-remember name. Next, very important step. Next and very important part. In the Format drop-down, select PNG from the list of formats. Look for the PNG option and select it. Now, with Format PNG selected, and make sure to use the settings. Next, click Export. This opens the PNG Options dialog box. The next part, choose your PNG settings. The most important here is transparency. Make sure the box is checked to ensure your design's background remains transparent. Resolution should allow you to choose screen, medium, or high. The best choice would be the high one for the best image. Finally, once these settings are set, click OK. You have successfully exported your design as a PNG file with transparency. Now you can use your image on the web. Remember to save other formats and experiment to get what looks best for you.